Are you determined to lose weight and need some help? Well, I've got just what you need. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing foods that have near 0 calories but are still incredibly flavorful and nutritious, perfect for helping you shed those unwanted pounds. Hi everyone, welcome back to VAIDIC Wellness. I know the struggle of trying to lose weight but still wanting to enjoy delicious food on your plate. Today I'm here to share with you 5 amazing, near calorie-free foods that you can add to your diet to help shed those extra pounds while still enjoying tasty meals. Number 1. Celery. Celery is a delightfully crunchy vegetable that is often overlooked in the world of snacking. However, it is one of the best choices out there for those seeking a low-calorie option. Not only is celery chock full of important nutrients like fiber, but it is also almost 0 calories, which means you can munch on as much of it as you like without having to worry about your waistline. Its juicy, refreshing crunch is the perfect antidote to midday munchies, and it's also a fantastic addition to any meal as an accompaniment or garnish. So next time you're in the mood for a snack, reach for some celery, you won't regret it. Number 2. Apples. When it comes to healthy snacks, apples are a no-brainer. They're sweet, refreshing, and can satisfy your cravings without weighing you down. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that are great for your body. But did you know that apples also have 0 calories? That's right, you can munch on these tasty treats guilt-free. Whether you prefer a tart Granny Smith or a juicy Honeycrisp, apples are a great way to fuel your body without packing on the pounds. So next time you need a quick and healthy snack, reach for an apple and enjoy all the benefits it has to offer. Number 3. Cucumber. Have you ever heard of a food that has 0 calories, yet is still incredibly refreshing? Look no further than cucumbers. Not only do these crunchy green veggies have an impressive amount of water, making them one of the most hydrating foods out there, but they also come in at a whopping 0 calories. So whether you're looking to snack guilt-free or trying to stay hydrated throughout your day, cucumbers are the perfect addition to your plate. Plus, with their versatility in the kitchen, you can add them to salads, smoothies, or even use them as a crunchy topping on your favorite sandwich. So next time you're feeling thirsty or in need of a low-calorie snack, grab a cucumber and enjoy all the benefits it has to offer. Number 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes may just be the unsung hero of the produce aisle. Not only do they contain the powerful antioxidant lycopene, but they're also a great source of other nutrients. And the best part? They contain fewer calories than many other fruits and vegetables of the same size. In fact, some might argue that they practically have 0 calories. So why not take advantage of this little-known fact and add more tomatoes to your meals? Whether you're tossing them in a salad or using them as a sandwich topper, you can feel good about incorporating this delicious and nutritious ingredient into your diet. Number 5. Broth-based soups. When it comes to healthy eating, there are quite a few ways to add some nutritional value to your meals. One of those ways is by incorporating broth-based soups into your diet. These soups are a refreshing change from heavy, creamy soups, and they offer a whole host of benefits as well. For starters, broth-based soups are naturally low in calories and can be a great way to fill up without consuming too many calories. And if you're looking for something with practically 0 calories, you will probably find that these soups are an excellent option too. So why not give them a try and give yourself an added nutritional boost? Thank you for watching our video on the 5 amazing foods with near 0 calories to help you shed pounds. We hope you learned something new and are feeling inspired to incorporate these delicious and nutritious options into your diet. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more informative content on healthy living, weight loss tips, and delicious recipes. And don't be shy to leave a comment and let us know how these foods have helped you on your weight loss journey.